Dr. Radhakrishnan, former Chairman ISRO, Sri Ashok Chandak, Chairman IESA, Sri M. N. Vidyashankar, President IESA, Sri Ravindra Srikant, ASM Technologies, Sri Soni Kunakat, Applied Materials, captains of ESDM industry, participants, exhibitors, ladies and gentlemen. I happen to be the last speaker in this inaugural ceremony, and therefore I would like to be brief and least among all. In fact, if you could recall the address made by Ashok Chandak, he has rightly outlined and informed the audience about various policy initiatives that the Government of India and other governments at all levels are taking to promote the ESDM sector in this country. Apart from policy initiatives, there are initiatives like e-governance, where a lot of IT and electronics is going in, which is helping in terms of citizen B2C and G2C services. And it's also generating the demand for IT and electronics good in this country. We have talked about numbers. We know that it was the scare that was caused by 2020 projection, that the demand by that time will be $400 billion, and we will be producing by that rate only about $100 billion. And it was estimated by the experts that that $300 billion gap is a great threat for the country. And therefore, all the stakeholders collaborated, worked together, and we have reached to this stage where we can always feel proud that we have measured the path and come to this stage where the manufacturing in India is going to happen at faster pace. I am very proud to be part of this inaugural ceremony because this is a very historic ceremony. It is just on the cusp of a revolution that is going to take place, and I am a witness to this. STPI has been associated with IESA for a long time, and I can testify the kind of continuously striving that they do with the various levels in the government, and the kind of work they are doing in soldier to soldier with the government. In fact, IESA has been sensitizing all the stakeholders in right direction. And if you go back and recall the first electronics task force that was constituted by the Department of Electronics and IT, the then Department of Information Technology, which was chaired by Sri Ajay Chaudhary, ex-HCL, that made a lot of difference. And I would commend and congratulate IESA for convincing Government of India for going for that task force. And as a consequence, a lot of measures that were taken. The speakers have already talked a lot about all those measures, so I am not going to repeat, like stress about changing the name of Department of Electronics, Information Technology to Department of Electronics and IT itself, stressed and emphasized the focus of the government in this sector. So government's Make India program or Digital India vision, everything is focused and towards the promotion of manufacturing and creation of ecosystem in the ESDM sector. I would not repeat those things, but only focus on what STPI is trying to do in the field of ESDM. In fact, for the first time, we have come up with a characterization lab which is going to be launched in the month of February 2015 in Bangalore with the support of the state government of Karnataka. And this lab is going to fill the gap that existed in terms of characterization and reliability testing for the chips that are designed locally. Another characterization lab we are going to establish is in Odisha, in Bhubaneswar, with the support of the state government. We have also about to launch an electronic system incubator in collaboration with the Delhi University and India Electronic Semiconductor Association, which will be located in South Campus of Delhi University. It is the first of its kind and would focus on Corel identified products, and it would support the entrepreneurs right from the beginning till the market of the product. This incubation center is going to show us the way for the future incubation program that we will launch. Another incubation program, we are working with the government of Odisha, and that will be similar to what we are going to establish with help of Delhi University. And I would thank ISA, which has come forward and has accepted to be the implementation partner for both the incubators that we are going to establish. We are also working with ISA for coming up with domain-specific incubation centers in various parts of the country in the fields like automotive electronics, medical electronics, power electronics, and automation process-linked electronics incubation program. And for that, the DPR is being prepared by ISA in consultation with STPI. With this, I would thank ISA for giving me an opportunity to be part of this inaugural session and also to be part of a journey that is being done by all the entrepreneurs, all the collaborators together to make India a proud country where a lot of production, we become self-reliant in the field of electronic system and design manufacturing by 2020. We have a small STPI pavilion, and I would request all the participants, where 14 companies, primarily startup and small companies, they are displaying their product and services in this exhibition center. So I would request all of you to visit there and encourage them. Thank you.